Removing a rear riser assembly and PCIe adapter. Remove the top cover. Note, in different configurations, the riser cage and riser card might look different, but the replacement procedure is the same. Disconnect the riser card cables and PCIe adapter cables from the system board assembly. Unfasten the screw that secures the riser assembly. Hold the edges of the riser assembly and carefully lift it out of the chassis. Press the retainer clip downward. Open the PCIe adapter retention latch. Hold the edges of the PCIe adapter and carefully pull it out of the PCIe slot. Unfasten the screws that secure the riser card. Hold the edges of the riser card and carefully take it out of the riser cage.